I'd like to welcome you guys to my mini series I'm doing at least once or twice a week of the dog parks here in southeastern Indiana. Today I bring you to the city of Greendale. We're at a dog park called Bark Park. First thing we do when we hit a dog park is check for unwelcoming surprises. That means we see how many landmines are in here, if there's anything on the ground that can hurt my puppy, and so on and so on. While my lovely wife has my pup kit, you and I will go ahead and we will look for unexpected stuff, and then I give her the okay, and she will let my puppy go and run and play. That's right. I will grade this video, well, this dog park, when I get done with the video. Yeah. All right, you know what? It looks good, Ange. Release the Kraken. She's getting ready to release the Kraken. Come on, Kit. There he goes. Whoa. What stink? Huh? Do you like this dog park? Well, it looks like this dog park has some mounds. One right there and one over yonder here. Huh. I like in this dog park. It's a pretty good sized dog park. And obviously this is for the larger dogs. And this one be for the smaller dogs. We probably won't be going in there, but I'll give you guys a peek-see. Yeah, that ain't too bad. We'll stick on the large dog side. This is where, yep, there's a little mud right there, but that's to be expected. Like I did in the last dog park, I'm gonna probably add about 15 to 20 seconds worth of music and get some shots of the dog park. Yeah. It should be spectacular. At least I'm hoping it will. GoPro.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to come.
We looked out at this dog park today because sometimes when we go on locations to check out what we call hidden gems, we find other hidden gems. So this will be in a whole other video, but we found a trail called the Tiger Trail. We never knew existed. We thought we've hit every trail within 50-mile radius of our home. We found some landmines, but that's to be expected because, to be honest with you, what a lot of people do, they will come down here, they will sit on a bench and read a book, or they sit in one of these other benches like the one way back yonder, and there's also another one behind me. They read a book and let their doggies run and play, and they ain't gonna pay attention to have any poo-poos or not. I'm on the fence on that one, okay? I can see if your dog's way over there, you ain't gonna see him having a bowel movement, or she. I get it. So you just gotta be a little bit, we ain't seen too many bowel movements or too many landmines, but we've seen a couple. Let's get my puppy. Hey, do you like what you see, kid? Do you like it here? What's your opinion? What grade would you give this place?
Kit, come.
I think he will give it a good grade. What do you think, Ange?
Yep.
I think so too.
He likes it. Ready?
Yeah. Go get it, kid!
That was a crappy throw.
Honey, he wouldn't make a good baseball player. But that's okay. I wouldn't make a good basketball player. This is just my second dog park in this series, so if you guys don't really like me put music to it, leave it down in the comments. I'd be more than happy to take the music out. I just thought it adds a little character. But right now I'm going to throw the ball, have my puppy Kit chase it. Oh, whoop, there you is. As soon as I go to get a thumbnail, my wife hollers for Kit. But guys, I'm up on the other mound.
I didn't even holler.
I know, he came right to you. So that right there will be the smaller dog park, and right here's the larger dog park. And I have to say, it beats all my expectations. That's right, it's beautiful. And right over yonder there, goes way down that way, that's a Tiger Trail. We'll come back there and come back here and hit that probably. Hey, Kit. There we go. This should work as a thumbnail. Okay, Kit. Here, kid, ready? Here. Ready? Go get it. Go get the ball, puppy. That's right. Run that energy out. Run the energy out. That's right. Okay, kid, what do you think? A little bit more running? I give this dog park, which is called a bark park, an A. That's right. It has everything I would hope to have in a dog park. Big, lots of room. Location around me is rocking. Although the main highway is just right up yonder there, about a half a mile, but it's quiet. It's peaceful.
Ready?
And I bet you this place gets a lot of business in the summer months. And I do believe my puppy Kit likes it here. That's right. You like it here? Hey Kit, you like it? Huh? Is it everything you would hope it to be? He don't care. He's just like, give me the dang ball. What do you think, Ange? What grade would you give this place?
I give it a thumbs up.
Oh, not a grade?
Oh,
Oh, you're not a team player, is you? There you have it. I give it an A. My wife gives it a B. So if you're ever in southeastern Indiana, it's a little hard to find. It is behind Mike's Car Wash. And it's called the Bark Park. Bark Park.
Leave it.
Bark Dog Park. Here in Greendale, Indiana, guys. All right. I hope I did this video better justice than I did the other one. And from here, we will see you on another adventure. I'll be doing this mini series for a while, one dog park a week. And then we'll see where we go from there after a couple weeks of it. Yeah, because honestly, I got a couple more dog parks I know of I can do. And then I don't know where any other dog parks are. At least within 50 miles of me. And the one that is the furthest out, I'm afraid when we get there, it's going to have a lot of dogs there. And that'd be in Madison, Indiana. All right, guys, till next time, leave your comments down below. And we'll see you in one of my other videos. Come on, let's get out of here.